Okay, hello guys, in this video I will explain how to create an active CorelDraw X7 for live. This is for 2019 guide. I recently ran into a problem to active CorelDraw X7. Usually I have CorelDraw X7 installed and running for someone now without any issue. But the problem started a few weeks ago based on CorelDraw Fire policy. Yeah, you can read it in message in important notice. Okay, I did some research, watched some videos, but this one made sense and helped me. One of the steps I took to block CorelDRAW from accessing the internet, which makes me active CorelDRAW X7 for life. And here we go, how to active CorelDRAW X7 for life. You should uninstall program in control panel, control panel like this, uninstall program, and you can find Corel Draw graphics like this and uninstall the program. Okay, and next, window firewall will with advanced security. This method is explained in this video, but for those who can watch the video for a reason, open window firewall with advanced security. Windows firewall with advanced security, yeah, and click on inbound roles and right click on CorelDRAW and click disable run, like that. CorelDRAW and disable role and select CorelDRAW X7 and then click on new rules, select program and next. This program path, click on browse and locate where CorelDRAW is installed. Click open and click next and block the connection, which is block CorelDRAW for accessing the internet. Give your new role a name, for example CorelDRAW X7 block connection and click finish. Okay, next step, block window host file. The second step is easier than the first step. Okay, open Windows Explorer by going to this PC and then my computer, C and Window System 32 and drivers and then etc and host. Right click on host and go to properties like this, untick read only and then security, then edit, tick on security tab on icon, yeah, like this, apply and yes. Okay, and okay, and right click on the host file and open with notepad, like this, enter and you can type 127 0 o dot o dot one and c dot corel dot com and 127 dot o dot o dot one apps dot corel dot com and save. Okay, for the last step, allow or block an app on Windows Firewall setting, and you can find in Control Panel, System and Security, and allow an app through Windows Firewall. Yeah, and then click in Setting, and scroll down to where you see CorelDraw and the role you create in step 1. Yeah, CorelDraw CorelDraw X7, yeah, like that. And okay, check again. That's everything. Hope this tutorial has helped you bypass CorelDraw very successfully. After skillfully following the above step, you don't need to worry about connection to the internet while using your CorelDraw X7 program. It would work just fine. Okay, thank you.